So kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung chinichika dito ni Marie Grisel, i-check nyo na lang kung saan galing yung comment. But this is all about a VA agency na ginamit sa website nila. Matagal na to, parang ilang buwan na rin to, na ginamit sa VA agency website nila yung comparison at bakit hindi dapat i-hire ang Filipinos. Now, syempre bilang Pinoy, may inis ka. But looking at the marketing perspective, the Philippines is one of the largest producers of BPOs or yung mga nagsiservice. So whether customer service yan, whether sa call center, whether work from home, tayo ang #1 competitor ng napakaraming bansa, hindi lang India. And ang ganda nung ginawa nila, alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi kapag ka SEO-wise kapag ka sinearch mo Filipino VAs versus India, automatic lalabas yung website nila. Plus the fact na syempre maraming response, maraming backlinks na pumupunta dun sa website. So yung pumapalo kagad yung kanilang engagement, yung kanilang ranking, kasi nga maraming Pinoy ang nagsesearch sa kanila. So kung ako sa inyo, wag nyo nang pansinin. Ito ay marketing laang ng kung ano man yung VA agency na yun, na hindi ko rin talaga sinearch. The more that you guys pay attention to this website, the more views, kumbaga, and hits this website is getting, this VA agency is getting. They are getting exactly what they were looking for, and that is attention, engagement, at eventually, yung mga naghahanap sa Pilipinas, yung mga Filipino VAs, makikita rin yung sa kanila. Kasi nga, nahihit nga ng algorithm. So, huwag nyo nalang pansinin. Ang lagi nyong tatandaan, ang puno na pinakang mabunga ay siyang laging binabato. Sa galing yun! Pangalawa, as long as we are doing our best, we should not be worried about what other people are doing. Pangatlo, kung ang budget nila is pang India, edi doon sila sa India, diba? Because yung atin kasing itong ginagawa ng mga Pinoy, we are globally competitive. Our skill sets, communication skill. Hindi man lahat, at least lamang-lamang tayo, diba? Marketing lang yung ginagawa nila, guys, and nakukuha nila yung marketing na gusto nila out of that campaign, because people are actually paying attention. Anyway, yun lang. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home. Please, miss. Bye.